everyone, it's Alex from Drive Auto Group. It is official, the cold weather is here. Although I will miss warm summer days, I'm super excited for hoodie season and pumpkin spice lattes. Today I'm here at our Ajax Hyundai dealership, finding out how we can get our vehicles ready for the cold weather. Let's go!
My name is Brian Bonje. I'm the service manager at Ajax Hyundai. Wanted to talk to you a little bit about preparing your car for winter. Here at Ajax Hyundai, there's a couple of things we'll check. To get started, one of the important things is winter tires for your vehicle. It's important to use winter tires. The rubber compound is a lot softer, designed to grip on those cold winter days. Also, just as important as your winter tires are your brakes. So as part of our service, we'll check your brakes and make sure that the pads are wearing properly and the rotors are in good condition and service them as necessary. Thirdly, wiper blades. Wiper blades are often overlooked, but as they age and the sun gets to them and they crack, they'll start smearing and chattering. So we'll check your wiper blades and also recommend replacing them if necessary. The battery is often overlooked. It seems to work great in the summertime, but on those cold winter mornings it'll be challenged. So as part of our inspection, we'll test your battery and make sure it's performing as it's designed and replace it if necessary. And the last thing you'll need to remember is an ice scraper or a snow brush in your car. It's always that winter morning when it's cold and snowy and you don't have that snow brush or ice scraper in your car, so don't forget to put it in your trunk. And we offer right now a fall winter special for $114.95. We'll do a lube oil filter on your vehicle. We'll rotate your tires or install your winter tires mounted on rims. And we'll also provide you with this real cool Hyundai Roots bag. So $114, $114.95, it's a great value. Come see us. Look forward to seeing you soon. Thanks so much.